If you look right past me, you'll see the rare, beautiful, and deadly blue-ringed octopus. Please ignore this almond ruler in the paper. Okay, so it's not real, and that's not an octopus, but...
Octopus. There are at least 5 different species of this octopus. All
Mollusks are herbivores, carnivores, and filter feeders, detrivores, or parasites. The blue-ringed octopus is a carnivore that eats many small crustaceans such as crabs, fish, and other small mollusks.
When the octopus feeds, it will inject a toxin through its jaws into its prey, therefore killing it. These jaws are located in its mantle cavities in between its tentacles.
The octopus will move by using a siphon, which is an organ used to jet propulsion.
It will suck up water through its jaws in the mantle cavity and then expel it at high speeds, moving the octopus fairly quickly through the water.
Octopi typically breathe using gills in their mantle cavity by passing water over them and extracting oxygen and pushing carbon dioxide out.
All octopi have a closed circulation system for moving blood through their body much quicker than usual.
Octopi actually have 3 different hearts, and each one does something crucial and allows it to be a powerful swimmer and an active hunter.
Their main heart is called the systematic heart, and the other 2 are located near the gills. Instead of having hemoglobin in their bloods like humans, they have something called hemocyanin.
Even if they have blue-colored blood, they are too shy to be named kings of the sea.
But they definitely have a lot of heart. They also have a different form of excretion, which Shay will gladly explain for us.
The animal will excrete by releasing a nitrogen containing waste into the blood in the form of an ammonia. Then it will be expelled out of a tube-shaped
Nephridium.
and into the water around it.
Okay, now here comes something very awkward. Mating.
Why don't you talk about that and I'll just stare at the octopus.
Thanks. Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah. Mating, reproducing, repopulation. When a male is going to mate with a female, he will insert his reproducing tentacle, known as the heterococylus, into the female's funnel on the top of its head, known as the oviduct. The male will then detach its heterococylus from the main body, and the female will hold on to it until she is ready to be fertilized. When she is ready, then she will remove the heterococylus and rub the sperm from the outside of the tentacle onto her eggs.
Okay, well, it lives in shallow marine waters and tide pools. Eats small crustaceans, lives for about 2 years in the wild, lives around coast of Australia and in the West Pacific Ocean, and is about 5 to 8 inches and 0.92 ounces when it's adult. Is that all?
Not exactly. The ancestors of this octopus look very similar to many crustaceans now. They had shells and tentacles. They have evolved from them and now have a quicker movement and a conveyor belt structure for chewing.
Their tropic level is a second-level consumer and have a symbiotic relationship with the bacteria and its venom. It is
Communalistic.
Relationship where the bacteria will paralyze its prey, but the bacteria don't gain anything. They usually like to fly solo and live in crevices in rocks or on the seafloor. They can also live in reefs between rubble and bottom of sandy areas.
Here are some interesting facts about the blue-ringed octopus.
They have the ability to regenerate lost limbs.
The blue-ringed octopus are the only octopus with a camouflage that can change depending on its environment.
A blue-ringed octopus is as small as a golf ball, but contains enough toxin to kill 30 adult humans.
That's just about everything, and no blue-ringed octopus were harmed in the making of this film.